Hi friends, I am Sharad Sharma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to greet you on the occasion of Republic Day. This year, as you all know, our country is celebrating the 72nd Republic Day. As we are all aware that Republic Day is celebrated on the 26th of January every. In the year 1950, we became a republic. So व्हाट डज दिस रिपब्लिक डे मीन? ये क्या मतलब क्या है इसका? इस दिन क्या हुआ था? क्या हम लोग सिर्फ एक 26 जनवरी के दिन छुट्टी ही मनाते हैं या इसके पीछे कुछ रेलेवेंस भी है? सो इन टुडेज वीडियो वी शैल बी डिस्कसिंग द बैकग्राउंड ऑफ दिस. As you are all aware that on the 15th of August 1947 we got independence from the Britishers. But India never had its own constitution till 26th of January 1950. We continued with the old constitution and with the old laws and regime that were provided by the Britishers. The old colonial rules were still applying. India enacted its own constitution in 26th of January 1950. Right? It was under the leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar that a constituent assembly was formed on the 29th of August 1947, that they started deliberating on this subject. 299 members from all across country, with all parts of the country, they formed the constituent assembly and they began deliberating, discussing various issues, what should be there, which laws should be incorporated, about the fundamental rights and all such things. They continued these deliberations for a span of 144 days, in between a span of 2 years. They met 144 times and finally drafted the constitution on the 26th of November 1949. This could have become applicable on that day itself. But our country waited for a period of 2 months, from 26th of November 1949 till 26th of January 1950. So why this gap of 2 months was there? There is a history behind it. Actually, in the year 1929, in the Lahore session of Indian National Congress, the Congress had demanded the Purna Swaraj, that means full independence. And with this full independence, the Congress started observing 26th of January as the full independence day, the Purna Swaraj day. It was initially thought that we would be getting the independence, and whenever we will be getting the independence, it will be only on this particular day. But independence, as we all know, we got the independence in the year 1947 on August. So this dream of 26th January remained unfulfilled for the leaders at that time. So while the constitution was being enforced, the leaders of that particular time were of the view that we should give a symbolic representation to this particular day, which they had observed for about 17 years, from 1930 to 47, the direct day that we were celebrating as the Independence Day. So it was delayed for a time period of 60 days and then we started celebrating this day. So what does this actually mean? What actually happened on this day? Right? Once we had our own constitution on the 26th of January 1950, there were 3 different things that happened. Firstly, we had our own constitution. We had our own constitution. It replaced the Government of India Act of 1935, and the old colonial laws were replaced. The act was repealed. And this was the first day of the presidentship of Dr. Rajendra Prasad, who became our first president of the country. And obviously, it was the last day of Mr. C. Rajagopalachari as the first Indian Governor General. So these 3 things activity actually took place simultaneously, and we got their right of a republic. India became a republic on this day. So this was the importance of the Ganatantra Divas, as we all call this to be. So if you like my video, friends, I would request you to kindly like it, subscribe it, and also to share your valuable comments. Thank you, friends.